Hey guys, welcome back for another video. I am ADRIaRenee. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not new here, what's up? So in today's episode, but I got sent another wig. Came in this cute little packaging. I actually have one of their other wigs. It's that bob. Did y'all see me in the bob? I don't remember, and I do apologize for this lighting. I don't have the energy to fix it, sorry. So it's gonna be a little, I think it looks a little dark, does it? And that just looks really bright. We'll go with that, it's fine. I'm a little pale, it's winter anyway, or it's about to be fall technically, September now. If you hear my vent, again, I apologize. AC is still going in here. I actually need to turn it up, so hopefully it stops kicking on so quickly, often. But anyway, it comes in this bag. UTide hair. Yeah, 13x4 body wave, lace front wig, 20 inches, 100% human hair. So this is actually the cap that they sent. It's super stretchy. I've never had a cap like this before, and I do wish there were two, because you know most of the wig caps have two in them, but this only have one. Not a big deal though, because luckily my hair decided to be nice to me, so I was able to actually, you know, do this pretty decently, because I'm sure y'all have seen some wig caps from me in the past and they were a struggle. I just kind of let it do what it do. I'm literally taking this straight out the bag. I haven't washed it or anything. I will. I'm just putting this on right now because I have to go do something. And then obviously I will wash her at a later date. So she's 13x4, so super. It's actually not a bad color, but I'm not like, I kind of look this color, but I'm not this color. But nonetheless, she looks like this. These curls are so pretty, super bouncy. I always love their hair. The texture of it is amazing. It comes with, it's pre-plucked, so it's pretty good. Yeah, there's baby hairs, so you obviously cut those down, because I don't know whose baby hairs is that long. Not mine. So we're actually just gonna secure this wig with the Got To Be, and then I'm gonna use, speaking of which, this also came in here. It looks like it's a headband, but I'm curious if it's like a band. But I mean, it's cute. You could wear it as a headband, or you could use it to secure your wig down. Yeah. So my wig cap is right here, and I guess that's fine for where I'm about to put this wig at. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off these this lace on the back, because I mean, I get the point, but it's never that deep for me. Part of me really wants to wear this wig because I think it'll be easier to put on if I do, but I'm not going to. What I am gonna do is take one of the notes from the girlies who wear their wigs all the time, and I'm gonna cut this so that the lace stretches a little bit more. Put her on. I should have put my contacts in. Oh, this fits really nicely. Love a good fitting wig. I'm not trying to, you know, do the most. Again, because it's only going to be on for a while, but I'm doing this because I want y'all to see the hair. Because I think it's really pretty. Also came with it, it's a, just a thing to say if you like the wig and where you can follow them on social media, etc. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this down like that. Use this, like I said, there's a mirror in front of me, so that's what I'm looking at. All right, now let's cut off these ear tabs. I'm gonna re-spray my wig. So like I said, I'm gonna use this. That should not have been that much of a struggle, but the struggle was real. So I'm actually I'm gonna let this dry and come back, and I'm probably gonna spray it again and let it dry, and then I'm gonna cut the lace, spray it again, excuse me, and then I'm gonna put this on because I'm pretty sure I just cut out that whole part, but it just took me way too long to tie this and to keep it securely on my head. Yeah, no. So we're gonna use this one. That was a lot. I'll be back. All right, we're back. I think I'm gonna wet this because I ended up combing through it, and as y'all can see, it looks kind of crazy. But let's take off this. Okay, it didn't stick, so that's great. All right, so we're about to cut the lace. So, I meant to actually spray the lace with this before I put it on my head, but I didn't. So we're gonna deal with that at a later date. I keep trying to do a side part, but for whatever reason, this hair, like, it does that, but it won't give me a real part, and y'all know I like a good side part, so I think I'm gonna have to just make this a straight down the middle. See, all the hair just kind of curves, and I don't know if maybe I need to find the right spot for the side part or what. Let me actually wet this hair down. Let's try that. It might be because I should have washed it first. That might be why the hair doesn't want to be nice to us right now. And then I love me a good mist. Doing that. All right, y'all, so the hair looks like this. I mean, it's a really pretty texture. It actually looks like there might be two textures because this is doing something and then this is doing something different. It also might be because my spray bottle stopped working, so the struggle is real. Don't mind my face, it doesn't like me right now. So we're gonna take this off. You know, I am not a no baby hair kind of girl at all, like at all. Yeah, see, sorry, how it went over there. All right. As we saw, there were baby hairs in here, so I just gotta find them, and it looks like they done disappeared on us. I use this in my, whatever this thing is called. But no, this is the hair. Don't look too close. This is how I feel though. It's giving like 80s, I mean 90s, like back in the day with this curl pattern. I don't know, because it's wet. So it's like, it's making me nostalgic. But yeah, y'all, so this is her. Like I said, the hair is really pretty, it's really soft. And all that good jazz. Don't look too hard, because like I said, I should have sprayed it, but it didn't. So we'll fix that. But yeah, what's the back looking like? What's it hitting for? Sorry, I saw something on my door. Nonetheless, guys, this is the hair. Nonetheless, y'all, this is our final look for today. I mean, this orange does match my shirt, so it is what it is. But if you like this video, give me a like, leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions on how I can make this wig look more like me. But I mean, what can you do? So nonetheless, I appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, the lace is good. It's just I'm not that pale, so it's giving, but it's not giving. It doesn't look bad. Sorry, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. It doesn't look bad. And I'm gonna rock it like this because this is where we're at. And if you know me, then you know that doesn't matter what it looks like, I'm cute regardless. Face card palette, so put on some lip gloss and some eyeliner and my contacts. We should be set. But nonetheless, I appreciate you guys for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.